Chapter 9, Lesson 3 is over dividing decimals. Shh. Please, whatever silly, crazy comments you think you need to make, don't. I don't care how. I just don't care. You have got to be quiet. Yes, today's the 4th. Alright, to divide decimals. Let's start out with some that are a little bit easier. Do you know how to divide? Yes. Okay, so that part is not going to be hard. The only part that you need to remember is wherever that decimal is here, oh, you just bring it up, and there's the decimal right there. Okay? That's all. So, how many times can 2 go into 0? None. How many times can 2 go into 4?
2.
Twice.
That's easy.
There's your answer. 0.2.
That's like a face. That's like a winky.
Shh, stop. I said anything silly or crazy you had to say. We just don't care.
This is like, it's just like, dividing.
Okay, so let's do a harder one. Okay, raise your hand if you know which one goes on the inside. Kristen.
7.75.
Right. The 7.75 goes on the inside. And the 5 goes on the outside. What do I do with the decimal?
You bring it up.
Bring it straight up. So it's going to go right here. Okay? How many times will 5 go into 7? Once. And it's 5, right? 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring down that 7. Correct? Am I on the right track? No. You only bring it up. So how many times will 5 go into 27? 5, right? And that's 25. So 27 minus 25, I get 2 again. Bring down that 5. And then I get 5 again. So my answer is 1.55. It's not bad. Hardest part is keeping your decimals in line. Keeping your place values in line. I have some paper back here for those of you who write like a dragon.
I don't. Me.
And I'll show it to you real fast too. It's not really graph paper, but it's on the back of the graph paper. Shut your mouth. Nobody cares. There again. Remember, same thing I said to everybody else. If you have something silly or crazy to say, nobody cares. Yes. What? Here's what it looks like. Do you see all the little boxes that I have? You put one number in each box, and the decimal would go on the line, like this. Like this, and the 5 on the outside. And that way you can keep up with your place values, okay? 5 goes into 7 once. You subtract, you get a 2, bring down your 7. See how much nicer it is to keep up? And you can have it, I don't care, okay? But
Where did you get that paper at?
the school ordered it for us. So it's right back here. If you need it, it will help you. Those of you who, like I said, write awful.
What if you're trying to draw a Minecraft person?
Oh, don't do that with my stuff. Buy your own paper for that. Let's look at one where, come on. There it goes. Okay, let's look at one that gives us a little bit different. Shh, be quiet.
She said she didn't write me the head something.
Well, if we're being honest, maybe you deserve it. Okay. .72. Okay. So, first rule, take that straight up there, right? So, can 4 go into 0? No, I hope you said no. Can 4 go into 7? Once, right? And I get a 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down that 2.
We're going to 8 times.
8 times, so 0.18.
It's gonna be 0.18.
Yep. Most of the time you want to have a 0 in front of it because the point gets lost. But Kelsey is right. You could have this or this. Sometimes that decimal point, if you make it big enough, it's okay. But it could get lost.
So you don't do nothing with
My
that
paper looks
30
small.
to after you get the decimal?
Well, can't 8 times 4, isn't that 32? So I'm done. You can put the 32 there if you want and make it a 0. Do one like this. Aha.
How much do whiteboards cost?
You can go only once. I mean twice.
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 Okay, but look. When I put this in twice, I get an 8. I have a 1 left over. We're not doing remainders anymore. We're going to make it a decimal. So it's point what?
1.
Is it point 1 up here?
0.5.
Now listen.
0.5.
Listen. When you need to bring something down and you don't have anything, what number is the same as nothing?
0.
So I could put 9.0, couldn't I? And did I change that number? No. Is it 9 and 9.0 the same thing?
Yeah.
Yes. So then I can just bring that 0 down. Well, how many times can 4 go into 10? Twice.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Bring this decimal up. Bring that decimal up. You said twice, and that's 8 again, right? So 10 minus 8 is 2. Now what?
Put another 0.
Put another 0. 9.00 is the same as 9.0, right? Which is the same as 9, isn't it? Yeah. So let's bring this one down. How many times can 4 go into 20? 5. And that one comes out perfect, doesn't it? Because 20 minus 20 is 0. So I'm done. So not bad. 2.25 is my answer. Okay?
Will you give us one to do by ourselves?
Yeah, I'm going to give you a ton to do by yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
How many?
A bunch.
Like a bunch of like 3?
And more. Okay. Your homework.
20 questions.
Maybe.
4. 20 questions only. How about like 2?
How about you just be quiet and I'll pick them?
That works too. Oh, that's not bad. Oh my god. Saturday 25.
Yes. Face the front. You need to show your work, even if you put your answers on a separate sheet, because Kelsey, your answers look really nice. You need to put your work